Nigerians have been advised to get vaccinated on polio diseases. At a sensitization walk to end polio in Oshodi, Isolo Constituency 1, organized by the Rotary Club of Ewutuntun, the House of Assembly member, Honorable Olukayode Stephen Ogundikpe, speak on the need to promote healthy community status in all ramifications.
It's one of the cardinal issues Rotary really counts on, and year in, year out, we do appreciate Rotary International for coming up, because we know Nigeria, just like they said, is a developing nation, and it's somewhere we have polio issues, and we are so much interested in it because through their interventions we've been able to bring this, like they said, we've been able to bring this to zero level. But we know we are not yet there, and that's the reason why we are always out to support and make sure that that zero itself should be our goal. And we are working it that polio should totally be eradicated. No family, no member of or a Nigerian that should suffer, irrespective of age, to suffer the issue of polio, especially these young ones that they have no sins and nothing, and they are coming to the world, and then the first thing they have to encounter is these major problems. So Rotary International, Rotary everywhere in the world, that is our concern, and that is where you see all branches. So
Ogundikpe emphasized that the fight against polio requires continuous awareness, community participation, and collaboration with health authorities.
Not just Oshodi alone, to Lagosians, to Nigerians, that it should be a joint effort. Everybody must be concerned. All the nice things we need to do, if you need to go through health interventions, you must go there and make sure you receive the vaccination for your children, especially those the maternity, the mothers who are pregnant and who are about coming up. They should know it's important for them to take this vaccine, and that's why we've been preaching to them, because whatever happens to that child, it is the responsibility of everybody, not the child alone.
The exercise features public sensitization on the importance of vaccination, early detection, and hygiene practices that can prevent the spread of the disease. The district governor also emphasized on the need to vaccinate children from age 1 to 5.
Our advocacy is to sensitize the market women that there's a need for us to vaccinate our children, the children between age 0 and 5, because we believe so much it's a priority program of Rotary to end the polio, and we want to plead with all our mothers to bring out their children for vaccination, because we are at risk if our children are not immunized. So my advice and my admonition to everybody is that we should all campaign, we should all work against polio. It is time to keep polio at zero in Nigeria. It is time to eradicate polio all over the world.
Other members added their voices and urged people to end polio in their various communities.
We must not relent, because polio got to a stage where there are only 4 countries. I was 6 years ago: Pakistan, Afghanistan, India, Nigeria. Now it's only left in Afghanistan and a part of Pakistan. So we need to get rid of it once and for all, so that we can all be safe.
The aim of Rotary is to keep polio at zero. All right. There was a time we were driving polio, trying to end polio, but right now we are not ending polio again. We are trying to keep it at zero. All right. So awareness. People should be aware, take the vaccine. We don't want to have any cases of polio in Nigeria or in Africa, which is the reason why we are out to enlighten people about the pandemic polio and how to prevent it, so that we won't have any cases.
Help people, even the health centers, to prevent polio. Make sure it's at a zero rate, so it keeps spreading to Nigerians, to everybody, because it's a disease that causes lifelong paralysis and many other things to children. I mean, children who are the lights of the world and are just coming to the world, they shouldn't have to face this disease. So Rotary Club, that's why we're here, in order to prevent this and make sure we can help in every possible way, and as a whole community, a joint effort.
Our aim of coming here today to support this drive on polio is just to also support and eradicate polio totally. One thing we discover is this: if there is no information, we said they lack knowledge or they lack a lot of things. So if we can come out and also join in this drive to eradicate polio, I think is a good cause.
And my message to the community or the world at large is that we should keep polio at zero and ensure that we take regular precautions to make sure we end polio.
The sensitization work, according to the organizer, is a continuous one, and regular education will be done across Lagos State.